Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic jam. First, choose the freshest organic fruits available, ensuring they are free from any pesticides. Next, gather your essential tools, including a large, heavy-bottomed pot, canning jars, and a funnel. Thoroughly wash, stem, and chop your chosen fruits. Finally, sterilize your jars and lids by boiling them for at least 10 minutes to ensure a safe and clean canning process. For delicious organic jam, select high-quality organic fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or peaches. You'll need organic sugar, often in a 1-to-1 ratio with your fruit, though this can be adjusted. If your fruit is naturally low in pectin, consider adding a natural pectin product to help the jam set properly. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice is also crucial. It brightens the flavor and assists with the gelling process. Now, let's cook. Combine your prepared organic fruit, organic sugar, and lemon juice in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a vigorous, rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Continue cooking until the jam reaches its setting point, which is typically around 220 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a perfect consistency for your homemade organic jam. Once your jam is cooked, carefully ladle the hot mixture into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal, then secure the lids and bands tightly. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to create a vacuum seal. Properly sealed jars can be stored in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.